What's up, guys? Welcome to camp. I'm Chad with Overland Addict. I got my buddy Chris Holloway with MOORE Expo.
Thanks for having me, buddy. Good to see you.
Yeah, good to see you too. Yeah. So we're making a video series to teach you guys how to make some drinks out at camp. And you'll kind of have to excuse the flies here. We got been making quite a few drinks today, and we had some simple syrup out here and some sweet things, so the flies are buzzing. So just ignore those for the time being. We're going to make do, right? We're going to make it happen.
Yeah, we are. You betcha.
Right. So what are we making today, Chris?
Well, today we are going to make a blushing Betty.
Oh, awesome, man.
Yep, and it's a bourbon drink, which I kind of like the bourbon drinks. I think you do as well.
I do too. Bourbon's one of my favorites.
Made with grapefruit and simple syrup. It's actually a really easy one to make. Awesome. So the whole goal is to kind of keep it simple. You only need to bring a couple ingredients, but these are drinks that you can make around the campfire and share with all your friends and have a great time.
All right, Chris, so show us how to make the Blushing Betty.
Well, the Blushing Betty is a lot of fun to drink. It's usually so good it makes me blush. What we're gonna do is we're gonna do 3 ounces of bourbon. Okay. So we'll just eyeball it on this one. 1, 2, and 3. Yeah, a little bit extra for good measure, huh?
3 big ounces, sure.
We can finish off a bottle. Guys, don't mind the bees and the flies.
They're ferocious today.
They're excited to hang out with us as well.
We're outside, hey,
yeah.
what's gonna happen?
We've also got an ounce of simple syrup that's gonna go in there.
Nice pour.
And we will finish it off with a nice squeeze of a good fresh grapefruit. Oh, buddy, that's gonna make a mess. Look at that. The bees are gonna love that.
That's a lot of grapefruit juice right there.
Well, it calls for an ounce, so.
I think it's an ounce.
Yep, I'd say so. So now, once we've got that done,
give her a good shake.
Give her a little shake.
That's right.
Yeah, so you want to shake these long enough to chill it, but also long enough to get a couple of those good ice shards in there. Right. Man, I think they really make the drink good. So once that's ready, we'll give her
put on top of those nice big cubes.
Whoa, that looks beautiful.
It does, doesn't it? Awesome.
And since we're being so fancy, huh?
A little garnish, yeah. A
little garnish.
Man, I can smell that all the way over here. It smells awesome.
Wow. I love it. Tell us where we can get one of these.
Yeah, guys, come out to MOORE Expo in April. We're gonna have the Overland Addict recovery room. It's a lounge, and we're gonna have a little bar serving some drinks. We could probably get you a Blushing Betty, I bet.
I love it. Yeah. Let's try it.
Do it.
All right. Yep.
I like it.
Yep.
Could be one of my top 10.
I'd say we've only made 20. Guys, come out and see us April 8th, 9th, and 10th at the MOORE Expo. Come and see Chad. He'll be working out at the recovery room and just making sure everybody's having a good time. We want you guys to have a good time, so that's why we're doing all this.
Yep.
I love it. Cheers one more time. Let's do it, buddy.
Good stuff.
That is good.
Yep.